Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we're going to make almond flour pancake. We need 1 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, 3 to 4 tablespoons of almond milk, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and 2 eggs. We also need mixing bowl, rubber spatula, soup ladle, turner, measuring spoon and cup, and a pan. Combine almond flour and baking powder. Add 2 eggs. Add 1 egg, one at a time. Add cooking oil. Add almond milk. Mix it well. Add your favorite sweetener. Add a pinch of salt, and mix it well. Add some cooking oil to your preheated pan. Cook your pancakes on both sides until light or golden brown. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Serve while hot.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Magnum Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.